And this is what it resulted in. Every single one of them was worth over $30. We can see $142 per receipt. We can see $39.47, $50. Every single one of them was worth over $30 a receipt. So it makes sense to offer a juicy Trojan horse offer that will get them to say yes and give us their SMS. So the last step is crafting an instant reply text. The idea here is that the moment they enter their phone number, we want to say, literally, the moment they say yes and enter their phone number, we want to say, bang, ding. They want to get that pop-up on their phone, that notification that somebody just sent them a text, and it's us with the reply. We are promising them what we promised them we are delivering on. So we send a text message with the details of how to get their discount. And here's the copy I personally used. As I promised, my 80% copy right here. So welcome to the club. As promised, your 20% code is here. Now I like to go for a little bit of desire. So I said, we strive for eye-popping designs that make your pup stand out, premium vegan leather that feels good in your hands, and high-quality metal buckles that last a lifetime. We can't wait to see your pup in their new style. Click, and here's the kicker. Here's the important wording. Here's the important language. Click here to activate your 20% savings. Expires in 72 hours. And then we've got the link, and they can click. This right here, this act instant, it's all to do with everything. Let's just remember as well, it's everything combined. It's the strategy, it's the upgrade, it's the message, it's the instant reply, it's the language, but all of this brought together, which makes the Trojan Horse method, is what is, it's just creating incredible results. And as you can see, this is the copy I used right here. Does anybody here think that that sounds super difficult? Does anybody think that that sounds really hard? Or do they think that they can do this? Do you guys think you can do this? Absolutely. So to me, SMS is the most important channel of the decade. 98% open rates. Studies have shown that people get a text, and within the first 4 hours, 98% of them open that text and read it. And over 70% of your traffic is mobile. So this is a frictionless, easy way to notify them about sales or new products and have them click and shop to buy. Think about it, guys. You are texting somebody on their mobile phone, which most of the time our users buy from, and they can get an instant text. It's literally within arm's reach. Most of us are symbiotic with our mobile phone. It's literally attached to us at all times. When they, by the way, Rach, when they click to activate, you just attach the discount when you do /discount/ whatever the code is, and they jump straight onto your website. They'll land on your homepage with the code already attached. That's the way that I do it. So the code is already applied at checkout. But think about it, guys. Your phone is always attached to you. It's glued to you at all times. My phone is literally within arm's reach right now. Can I get a 1 in the chat if your mobile phone is within arm's reach? That's right, because everybody has their mobile phone within arm's reach. And that is why this method is so darn powerful. And if you send an email, and don't get me wrong, I'm an email marketer first. I love emails, but SMS is more powerful. If you send an email and it goes to promotions, do you get notified? No, you don't know until you manually check. But if you send a text and it goes bing, are you going to open your phone and see it? 110%. And that's exactly what happens with your customers. And this is why we are building our SMS list. And that is why if you aren't building your SMS list, you're going to be left behind. So let's break it down, right? Let's just say on average, you're doing $50,000 a month right now. And this method could add an extra 10%. Right? And that's very easy. I've seen this literally when I implement this one strategy alone, I see a boost in 10% on average across the brands that I work with. This brings in an extra 10% every single time because we're getting 50, 60, 70% of those people turning up, like giving us their mobile, and then about 80% are clicking through. It is easy to add a minimum 10%. But let's just say, for example, you do 10%. If you're making 50K and it adds an extra 10%, In month 1, you've got $5,000, right? In month 3, you've added an extra $15,000. In month 6, $30,000. And in month 12, in 1 year from now, you've added an extra $60,000 to your business. How would your business change if you were injecting an extra 10% sales automatically? Remember, I was doing this whilst I was doing cooking classes in the Barossa Valley. If you were injecting an extra 10% sales automatically every single month without lifting a finger, and at the same time building a hyper responsive list of subscribers that are ready and willing to buy at any second, how would your business change? You would leave your competitors in the dust and build a wildly profitable online business. Think about it, guys. A lot of business owners know that the power, the money is in their list. The money is in the back end. And you have a juicy text message that you can send out that gets 98% opens and insane click-through rates. You would literally leave your competitors in the dust. Your competition, I can tell you, is not doing this.